Here I am. I'm getting ready to pack for our quick overnight camping trip. We have to be back here at 7:45 tomorrow morning as we are watching our grand puppy for the day. So it's going to be really quick, but you know what? It's going to be a great getaway. Here we go. So that's how you pack for a quick getaway. What are we doing today?
We are going camping, but only for the night.
It's an abbreviated camping.
It's a very, very abbreviated camping trip. So, left work a little after 3 today. Kelly had the Jeep all packed, and we are driving about an hour and a half away from our house.
Yep.
Out to Blair Valley, California, and we're going to pitch a tent, play some cribbage, watch some stars, and have a little campfire.
And then wake up at
5:30 in the morning to be back to our house by 7:30 in the morning because we're dog watching tomorrow. But just because we get off work Friday afternoon and have to be home by 7:30 Saturday morning doesn't mean we can't go camping still.
It's all part of the adventure.
It's all part of the adventure.
Keep on adventuring.
Friday night adventure night
There we go.
is on again.
Woohoo!
We're doing it.
So last year, around a year ago, we got this table. And this has been the world's best table, if I can figure out how I undo it. This has been the best table because it's super simple to expand, build, and collapse.
Good.
Yep. And this packs up super small. And it's super sturdy.
So this is, I'm calling it campfire in a can. It's the Radiate Portable Campfire. Camping at the beach and roasting s'mores. Of course, we didn't bring s'mores. So, easy to store, easy to light, reusable. So, there we go.
That.
So we will see how that works.
Okay.
I'm going to put it right here because somebody had already done this, which I don't really think is actually legal out here, but at least we're not going to make it any worse. We're going to take the can with us when we go. Hey, Kelly.
Yeah.
What'd you forget?
What did I forget? Well, there wasn't propane in the tote anymore.
No propane.
No propane.
So that would go right there.
Yes.
So, an interesting little side detour. Why am I by myself right now? And the answer is because I got to do a little mini adventure. And that's one of the fun things about doing these kind of things is we got out to our campsite and then realized we didn't have propane. So we went to drive down the store to get some propane and saw about 4 hitchhikers. Looked like they were doing the PCT, 2,000 miles, Mexico to Canada. And they looked pretty haggard, and they were trying to hitch a ride. And the problem is we were turning into the store right before where they're trying to hitch from. And the way they're trying to go is opposite of where the store is. So we got to the store, saw the store was closed, and then I asked the guys, hey, are you guys okay? And they were like, actually, we're running really low on water. The main cache is just up the road where all the PCTers get water resupplies, et cetera, et cetera. And so I said, well, hey guys, the store's closed. Everybody hop in the Jeep. We'll give you guys a ride. And they were just so excited. But really cool. They're on mile 78 of the PCT right now. And then as I dropped one of them off, saw another guy walking up, and he looked like he was in bad shape. Had his pack on and stuff, and we said, hey, are you okay? And he said, hey, I ran out of water earlier today, and I'm pretty delirious, and I'm in pretty bad shape. So we got his pack, put it in here, and we're able to shuttle him to the Scissors Crossing resupply. Now he's with tons of other hikers. All good to go. And then I was like, you know what? I'm not giving you guys my chocolate cake or a little bottle of wine, but I've got a really nice Deschutes Porter beer here, and one of the guys from Oregon. So he was pretty excited to have a cold beer to drink tonight. So, I think maybe that's why we were meant to do this trip. Sometimes you come out and you just put yourself in these environments, and then you get to have experiences like that. So, a totally different world. People hiking Mexico to Canada, living their life, and at least we get a few minutes interacting with them. So, hope they're safe, but I sure had a great time. Now I got to get back down the road and find my wife, because she volunteered her seat so we could get more people in the Jeep. So I'm going back to the store to pick her up, and then we still got to somehow find fuel for us to be able to have dinner tonight. But maybe we won't have dinner. Who knows?
So, we're going to try cooking our bratwurst over the campfire in a can.
Campfire in a can bratwurst. Well, it says you can do s'mores, and we didn't buy s'mores. So why can't we do bratwurst, right?
Yeah.
Radiate. Campfire in a can. Not sponsored.
It's okay. You can have a messy night.
Yep.
Okay, I need a pot holder. Tonight's dinner is bratwurst and salad. We did manage to go and cook the bratwurst over the portable campfire in a can, and it seemed to work out really good. Don't know if my pan will survive or not, but other than that, I think it's going to be good. Can't wait to try it.
Hey.
Hey.
Ding.
Ding. Camping.
Camping.
Well, Jeff, it's time to wake up.
5:30 in the morning.
5:30 in the morning.
Time to get up to go dog watching. What a great night.
Yeah. Yeah, what an awesome adventure.
Yeah.
Hey, Jeff,
Yeah.
let's keep on adventuring.